Apple has officially unveiled a hint about the iPhone SE 4. Tim Cook, the company's CEO, posted a mysterious teaser on X, featuring a gleaming metallic Apple logo accompanied by the phrase, "the newest member of the family." There aren't any extra details, just an air of curiosity. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Although Apple hasn't set a launch date, there's buzz suggesting February 19th could be the day. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman initially indicated that Apple would reveal the iPhone SE 4 this week, only to correct himself later, saying it will actually happen next week. Feels a bit off, right? And that teaser, with the Apple logo seemingly dripping with liquid metal, points to something big. If the rumors are accurate, the iPhone SE 4 is expected to be a budget-friendly version of the iPhone 14, featuring some impressive specs. A 6.1-inch screen that moves away from the outdated iPhone 8 design. Face ID will replace Touch ID, no home button this time. A notch is expected, but without the dynamic island, keeping things simple. A USB-C port, which will be a first for the SE series, paired with an aluminum frame. But here's the thrilling part. This affordable iPhone might be equipped with Apple's A18 chip, the same powerful processor found in the iPhone 16. That's a first for an SE model. Even more exciting, leaks indicate it could have 8 GB of RAM and support for Apple Intelligence features, making it one of the most powerful budget smartphones available. On the downside, the iPhone SE 4 will only have one rear camera, which could let some users down. However, at a rumored price of $499, it has the potential to shake up the mid-range Android market considerably. Apple has a busy schedule for 2025, and the iPhone SE 4 is just the beginning. Here's what else is believed to be on the way. A MacBook Air featuring the new M4 chip for enhanced capabilities and efficiency. New iPad models, including a budget-friendly option and an updated iPad Air. Apple's first smart home hub with a display. AirTag 2 and high-end desktop Macs, possibly new Mac Pros or iMacs. What are your thoughts? How do you feel about the upcoming iPhone SE 4? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay updated on all things Apple. Thanks for joining me, and I'll catch you in the next update.